Hey guys.
Hey.
We receive many requests from people to create content around cryptocurrency that we just had to do it. We decided to create a mini-series on all things cryptocurrency with the goal of helping you to better understand what is going on so that you can make better decisions for yourself. This video is being filmed at a time when cryptocurrency has risen to an all-time high. In addition to this, Coinbase, which is a cryptocurrency exchange, it has recently listed publicly on Nasdaq, which speaks volumes for the potential of the future of cryptocurrency.
Yep. In addition to all that, we just want to state the obvious. We're not financial advisors. We can't advise you specifically on whether you should be investing in cryptocurrency. But what we can do, though, is help to remove a lot of confusion. We can educate you on what we are learning ourselves on this journey of really just understanding this alternative investment, which is cryptocurrency. So today we're focusing on what are the cryptocurrency basics. What is cryptocurrency exactly? What does a beginner's guide look like? That's what we're going to be covering on today's video. And for the next video on this mini series, we're going to be looking at how to invest in cryptocurrency for beginners. So do make sure you stick around and watch out for this mini series, because what we're doing here is going as deep as we can, but answering very specific questions for you, which each one of these videos.
That's right, guys. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit subscribe and show our channel some love.
Yes.
And also hit the like button. It helps encourage more people to watch our videos.
Okay, so let's jump in. What exactly is cryptocurrency and how many cryptocurrencies are there?
So according to Investopedia, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is secured by cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. In short, it is cash for the internet, which can be exchanged for goods and services, such as you would do so with a pound or dollars or euros or whatever currency you're used to using.
Now, Mary mentioned there that cryptocurrency is a virtual currency. Again, according to Investopedia, the definition here for virtual currency is a type of unregulated digital currency that's only available in electronic format. It is stored and transacted only through designated software or a mobile or computer application and through dedicated digital wallets. And the transactions occur over the internet through secure, dedicated networks. Now, that probably sounds like a mouthful. So what we decided to do was to draw you a little diagram just to kind of explain where digital currencies come in, where virtual currencies come in, and where cryptocurrencies actually fit into the picture. So as you can see from this particular diagram here, at the very top of the tree are digital currencies generally. And there are two broad groups of digital currencies. You've got regulated digital currencies and unregulated digital currency. So a regulated digital currency is one where a central bank of a particular country, for example, might choose to create a digital version of their fiat currency. So maybe their pounds or their dollars, they might choose to create a digital version of that. That is an example of a regulated digital currency. But on the other end of the camp, the unregulated digital currencies, below them are currencies known as virtual currencies. The CCY stands for currency here, just for short. And below the virtual currencies is where cryptocurrency and the various types of cryptocurrencies that you might come across ordinarily actually fall in.
Now, as for how many cryptocurrencies there are, according to our research at the time of doing this video, there are over 4,000 different cryptocurrencies in existence. However, not all of them are legit. Bear that in mind. So some popular names include Ethereum, Litecoin, Cardano, Ripple, Binance Coin, Dogecoin, thanks to Elon Musk and TikTok for making it go viral. And the biggest of them all is Bitcoin. See Bitcoin as the Coca-Cola of cryptocurrency, basically. So how exactly does cryptocurrency work?
Now, many cryptocurrencies are what's known as decentralized networks that are based on a piece of technology called blockchain. Now, the blockchain itself is a distributed ledger, essentially where transactions are noted, but it's enabled by a network of computers. Now, a key feature of cryptocurrencies is that they are generally not issued by a government authority, making them theoretically immune to government interference or any form of manipulation. In essence, cryptocurrencies are a digital representation of value. They do not represent any form of guarantee or anything like that by a central bank. This means that cryptocurrency does not hold the same legal status as the money that we might use ordinarily in pounds or dollars and things like that. The thing to note is that cryptocurrency is not backed by any underlying assets specifically, and they're currently unregulated, which means if you are investing your money into cryptocurrency and if you lost money, the chances are you will not be compensated as a result of that happening. As these are digital currencies, there are no physical coins or notes attached to cryptocurrency, only that digital record which is held on the blockchain itself. Now, what's really interesting about the blockchain technology is that the goal of that blockchain technology is to allow information to be recorded, distributed, but not editable, which is so important for this whole thing to actually work. So a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, for example, merely uses the blockchain technology for transparency purposes in order to record the transactions of ledger payments as transparently as possible.
Blockchain could be used for many different things. For example, it could be used for election voting. The fact that blockchain is never changing, this could be used to avoid fraudulent activity during voting.
Now, in terms of storing and using your cryptocurrency, you will need a specialized wallet. These wallets will have to have their own digital addresses unique to you specifically, allowing you to send and receive cryptocurrencies as well. Now, on top of that, in addition to having your own wallet, you can also trade your cryptocurrency on specific exchanges. So why on earth is cryptocurrency so popular now?
Well, cryptocurrency is very popular because it's a speculative investment, with many people believing that they can buy, hold, and sell for a lot of money. The rise of Bitcoin and other coins in the last few months and years speaks to that. Bitcoin, for example, was priced at $8,608 per Bitcoin in May 2020. 1 year later, in May 2021, it is priced at $58,788 per Bitcoin.
Wow. That's 6.8 times your money, or nearly a 700% increase in just 1 year.
Yeah.
Now, the second reason for the popularity of cryptocurrency now is because of Bitcoin's demand and liquidity. Now, you might know this already, but Bitcoin, when it was created, only 21 million can only ever be created. As of the time of making this video, there are about 18.7 million circulating in supply. Now, of course, simple economics will tell us that if you've got very limited supply of any commodity, for example, and where you've got excess demand for that particular thing driven by various factors, such as the fear of missing out and various things like that, that of course creates a rapid rise in price, as we've seen with Bitcoin over the last few months as an example. Now, in the same way that prices have been rising, prices can also fall as dramatically as we saw in 2018 related to Bitcoin specifically. Now, the key thing to note, another reason for the demand tied to this, is Bitcoin's liquidity. You can quite easily buy and sell Bitcoin, and of course, that has created a lot of momentum and made cryptocurrency ever more popular.
So reason number 3 is that institutional investors are now pouring money into cryptocurrencies, and there has now been a rise in new cryptocurrency funds, which in turn increases the demand of cryptocurrency and adds to its appeal.
Number 4 is low fees. There are very low fees for transacting using cryptocurrency compared to other ways that you can pay for various things online.
Number 5 is that cryptocurrencies are not associated with world governments. Some people see this as potentially safer than some official government currencies. In addition, some people see this as being able to remain stable even if there is some uncertainty going on in a specific country.
Next is that it's become really easy to get hold of cryptocurrency. Mary mentioned earlier the listing of Coinbase on Nasdaq. That, for example, represents a huge leap forward in being able to access cryptocurrency on a recognized exchange.
Point number 7 is that it is getting more easier to use cryptocurrency, with many online companies accepting cryptocurrency as a form of payment.
And the final reason is due to demand around the world. Many people across the globe see cryptocurrency as the future in their countries. In particular, we know of many people across Africa, in countries like we've come from, Nigeria, for example, where cryptocurrency is being embraced by people, although with huge challenges from the government. Many people see cryptocurrency as the future, which again is another reason why there's huge popularity for cryptocurrency at the moment.
So we're sure a lot of people are wondering, how risky is cryptocurrency?
Yeah, well, according to the UK Financial Watchdog, the Financial Conduct Authority, they've noted in a recent warning that investors stand to lose up to 100% of their money invested if they are punting in cryptocurrencies. Basically, you can lose everything by investing your money in cryptocurrencies. And we agree with this because just as cryptocurrencies can rise dramatically in price, they can also fall quite sharply in price as well. So it's very important that we do not glamorize cryptocurrency in any way, shape or form, but make you 100% aware of the risks of essentially speculating in cryptocurrency. So given all that, is cryptocurrency actually worth investing in?
Well, like all speculative investments, cryptocurrency faces a lot of volatility, which means prices go up and they go down a lot. This can be seen as an advantage or a disadvantage depending on how you want to look at it.
Some people like to buy things in a short term and look to make a quick buck or a quick profit by doing that. Whereas other people like us, for example, like to buy things with a long-term perspective in mind. You should only explore investing some of your money in cryptocurrency if you have a high appetite for risk and are happy to expose a portion of your portfolio to this particular asset class. Now, if you're that person who's got a high appetite for risk, we would suggest a maximum of 1 to 2% exposure of your entire portfolio maximum. And if you're not the type of person who can stomach that level of risk, we've created various videos on this channel, absolutely popular playlists here related to investing through the stock market. We'll put links to that below and above for you to head over and binge, as many people tend to tell us when you watch our investing videos. Check out those videos and get started with investing your money reliably through the stock market. Now, if you're wondering, Ken and Mary, come on, tell us, do you invest in cryptocurrencies? Hey, you're gonna have to wait till the next video in the series. On the next video, we'll be walking you through how to actually invest in cryptocurrencies as a beginner. Don't forget to check that video out and be on the lookout for it. Hit the subscribe button and hit that notifications bell so that you know as soon as we publish that video, and you can learn a lot more about how you can go about doing this type of investing for yourself as a complete beginner.
So guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. Like Ken said, let us know in the comments, what else would you like to know about cryptocurrency that you would like us to include in the mini-series? Let us know in the comments below.
Thank you guys for watching today's video. We're super thankful to you guys for continuing to support us. Don't forget to hit the like, hit that share with somebody else who would love a beginner's guide to cryptocurrency, and don't forget, of course, hit the subscribe button and support us here on The Humble Penny. Thank you guys so much as ever, and in all things, be thankful and seek joy.
Take
care, guys. Bye.